An attorney mediator versus a non-attorney mediator. Why can't a therapist be your mediator? Well, in some jurisdictions, a therapist could be a mediator, and you're well within your right to hire a non-attorney. But I'd ask you to consider the advice that you're receiving. While a non-attorney may seem like an attractive mediator, perhaps their hourly rate is lower, or you may believe that this non-attorney possesses some special skill set that's going to help get you over the finish line. What is missing is crucial. What would happen in a courtroom? Not knowing how a judge would rule, or not knowing whether or not your position is something even remotely possible to achieving in a courtroom, puts you at an incredible disadvantage in a negotiated settlement. If I'm negotiating and I don't know whether my position is close to what a judge would rule on, I am at a disadvantage. Do I go it alone in mediation? Is it just me and my spouse? Or do I lawyer up and bring my lawyer to mediation? Well, it depends. It depends on your comfort level for advocating for yourself. Remember, your mediator is a facilitator. Your mediator can tell you the law. Your mediator can tell you likely outcomes, but your mediator isn't your advocate. If you feel that you need a real advocate in that room with you, you can bring an attorney to mediation. Now, does that increase your costs? Definitely. Many families can mediate without an attorney, but it really is up to you. You have to look at cost, time, all of those additional factors of layering in another person. So you can go it alone, or you could bring a trusted advisor with you in the form of another lawyer to the table. Do judges who are retired add value in mediation? Of course they do. You have the advantage of this breadth of knowledge. So here's someone that was an attorney, perhaps an attorney that litigated, that then went and put on the black robe and made decisions, probably over hundreds, if not thousands of cases in their tenure as a judge. So having the advantage of a mediator that is also a retired judge, or working with a mediation company that has the ability to tap into a retired judge as a resource at some point in the continuum of your mediation process, is of tremendous value to you. Is your mediator giving you legal advice? Absolutely not. Your mediator is not your lawyer. Your mediator is not your advocate. Your mediator isn't providing legal services to you in that respect. That would be your individual lawyer. Your mediator is a facilitator. Your mediator can educate you on the law, and your mediator can help you reach a conclusion that's fair and reasonable. But your mediator is not your advocate. That would be your individual private attorney. Mediators and your actual attorney that's representing you wear two very different hats in your process towards getting divorced. Many people get divorced without ever hiring their own attorney, but rather the family works together with one mediator that acts as a facilitator of resolution. The mediator is not your attorney. Your mediator is not giving you individual legal advice, but rather helping you reach a resolution that's fair and reasonable under the circumstances.